Hi again, today I'm making a Kojic Acid face mask that can be easily washed off the face. In this face mask, I combined 1% Kojic Acid with some more active ingredients. On the website, you'll find more information regarding the ingredients I use for this face mask and the benefits of each ingredient. The link for the post is in the description. I start by mixing 2 grams of xanthan gum soft with 8 grams of glycerin. This face mask is designed to help with pigmentation and dark spots on the skin. I mix the gum and the glycerin to create a slurry. This way I avoid any clumps from the gum. Next, I added 75.6 grams of hydrosol. I used jasmine hydrosol. You can use distilled water to replace the hydrosol. I used a milk frother to combine everything. You can mix the hydrosol with the slurry by hand, but it will take longer for the slurry to disperse. This is the consistency of the mask. It's thick enough to be applied to the skin and to create a fine coat of the mask on top of the skin. Next, I added 0.4 grams of allantoin. Allantoin is known for its moisturizing and soothing properties and can calm irritated skin. It also acts as a humectant, attracting moisture to the skin. In the written post, you can find alternatives to some of the ingredients I used. I covered the beaker with aluminum foil and placed it into a double boiler. I heated the allantoin with the hydrosol at around 55 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes to ensure it was completely dissolved. After 20 minutes, I removed the beaker from the heat and let the mixture cool before adding the rest of the ingredients. I checked that the temperature had cooled to less than 40 degrees Celsius and continued adding the other ingredients. I added 6 grams of diacetyl glucoside. This surfactant helps remove the mask easily, leaving the skin cleansed and fresh. Diacetyl glucoside is a mild surfactant with gentle cleansing properties. Next, I added 1.4 grams of citric acid. Citric acid helps to lower the pH and adds gentle exfoliation properties to the face mask. For another humectant, I added 2 grams of pentylene glycol. You can find alternatives to pentylene glycol in the written post. Next, I added 2 grams of papaya extract. Papaya extract is a natural exfoliant that helps to eliminate dead skin cells. Papaya extract contains antioxidants and also has moisturizing properties. I added 1 gram of Kojic Acid. Kojic Acid inhibits melanin production in the skin. When melanin production is reduced, it gradually lightens the skin. You have more information on Kojic Acid in the written post. The following active ingredient I added is pepin. Pepin is an enzyme extracted from the papaya fruit that helps remove dead skin cells. I added 0.6 grams of it. Pepin adds gentle exfoliation properties to the face mask. The last ingredient is the preservative. I added 1 gram of Cosguard. I mixed everything to make sure it was well combined. So now the face mask is ready, but I decided to add a few drops of color to it. You can skip it or use a different color. I chose an orange color, complementing the papaya extract and the pepin powder. I did a pH test. The final pH should be around 4.5 to 5. You can read more about the pH of this mask in the written post. I covered the beaker and left the face mask to rest for a few hours before I placed it in a jar. The face mask is ready to be used now. Apply the face mask to cleanse skin, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Leave on for 20 minutes and then rinse with water. The diesel glucoside creates a gentle foam that helps to rinse the mask and leaves the skin clear and clean. The written post provides more information on the ingredients for this face mask and alternatives for some ingredients. The link for the written post is in the description.